Hey everyone, welcome to Well Valley. My name is Angelica Stanley. I'm the founder and the CEO, and I'm super blessed and honored to be in front of you this beautiful Monday morning. Now, I'm coming forth to you today and letting you know how we will be delivering things for forever until God says otherwise. But today is Mature Monday. So every Mature Monday, I will be dropping you basically the plan for the week, what to expect, your agenda. Now, why is that? Well, Well Valley is a daily life coaching, mentoring agency, okay? It is a hybrid. It is something different that God has called me to move forth for this community for such a time as this. Now, why is this important? Well, Mature Monday is basically where we are seeking God. We are going to plan, prep, and proceed. We are going to seek first the kingdom. We are actually in the middle of a study. We are studying the fruit of the Spirit, and each week is a different topic. So, we're going to cover all of those things throughout the week. I will post those things. And you're going to read right above or below, depending on where it's at, if it's a share or the original post. And I will continue forth with that. So you'll have the Monday, the Tuesday, the Wednesday, the Thursday, the Friday, the Saturday, the Sunday. And we actually do things our Sunday is the start of our week. Now, why is Sunday the start of our week? Well, Sunday is the start of our week because, yesterday being Resurrection Sunday, I'm doing a series called Significance in the Pit, and Significance in the Pit is an opportunity for you to learn where it all came from, where it all started. So that link is there. You'll see it. The other thing is Monday today is coaching call, coaching, a plan, a prep. It's something that I have started in the Awaken Leaders, and I'm actually going to start that again in May. Okay, so mark your calendars, just kind of keep an eye and a mindset. I'm going to be assisting you in May. And basically in May, we're going to launch every Monday, kind of how I do this. But you're still going to have this time with me right here, this video, but I'm also going to be on a live call with you in our virtual academy. And in our virtual academy, we'll basically all be together, and I will pull up the screen and we will look at the screen, and I will ask you, what did you accomplish last week? And everybody's going to be in the chats, and everybody's going to be this. And it's a 30-minute process. It's not very long. The reason why I do that is just to kind of give you encouragement and motivation. Drop in the comments, like, I need prayer for this. These are my goals. This is how I'm going to do it. This is the exact process that you are going to have with your Connect coach. Why do I say that? Because you get this video. In May starts the Plan, Prep, Proceed call. And then the third thing that you do is you meet with your Connect coach. I am so excited to introduce you to Building Your Online Business 101. This is a Well Valley Your Biz evening program every Wednesday night live on Well Valley Facebook business page. We will be going live for the duration. I hope and look forward to catching you every Wednesday night. Look forward to seeing you soon.